Hi friends, welcome. In this lesson, we're gonna make this sprite dodge two hedgehogs on the corners. First, let's add more sprites to bring new hedgehogs. First, we should go to search and search hedgehog. Here, we got one, and now let's duplicate it. Here now there are two hedgehogs. Let's decrease their size. 70 could work. Yeah, 70 is fine. Here, these two hedgehogs will be on a corner. And let's choose the background too. Let's choose a full background that looks a little actual. Let me just search them. Okay, if there's none like that, let's choose this one. And now let's start coding. The hedgehogs won't have any code. This sprite will. Make sure to press the sprite because make sure you don't code about the hedgehog because the hedgehog has no use in this right now. First, we're gonna use this. Any key pressed. Let's go to motion and then go to random position. So that goes anywhere when we press any key from the laptop. And now for the forever loop from control. Let's use this and then take the next costume one from looks. Here. And if then one just like our last one from this section. Here. Let's put this in the forever loop and then let's use the trick we used before. First take this one, make this into 5 again and put this one in that and then put this one in, then put this one in this. And now let's use the point towards mouse pointer from motion. And now we're gonna need move 10 steps and if on edge bounce. Here. Now let's take that one from control again here and put this in the forever loop. This forever loop looks really big now. Now we're gonna need from a block from something touching a hedgehog here. We're gonna need this and make a mouse pointer to hedgehog. Let's use another that one from another if then loop from control so that we can even do it for the hedgehog too. And here hedgehog 2 and let's stop it because I accidentally started it. And now we should use this one. Play meow until done from the sound section, and then say ouch for 2 seconds from look section. Here let's make it ouch instead of hello, because when the cat is gonna touch the hedgehogs, it's gonna hurt, because hedgehogs have sharp points. Here. And then we're gonna turn 180 degrees from motion. Okay. And then a move 10-step block. Let's take this whole part out and duplicate it. Then put it in the hedgehog 2 part. Let's run it because it's done. Oh yeah, press any key. What? Let's get this cat out of and right here. Okay, it works. See you in our next episode. Bye. If you like this video, then don't forget to
like and press the bell.